Well, I'm off to vintage motocross today. I've not been to that. I think the last time I went to motocross it was vintage. But I'm going to ride today, take the Tiger. I'm using my, for about the first time since I've got the bike, I'm using my navigation to get there. I'll tell you how that works out. I'm going to meet Mr. Bill and Rapid Roy there. So see you when we get there. Well, I got to the track. Getting to the track was the easy part. Finding a place to park, that's the hard part. So I think I got here just in time to start watching some of the races. I'm going to take you through some of the pits and watch some of the races. Well, first group was the under 125 Yamahas, Husqvarnas, Bull Tacos, a little bit of everything here. That's old. Pretty cool. They got, there's some kids out here. There's some guys that are as old as I am out here. Maybe even older. Last time I saw motorcycles this old, I was racing. Who's winning this thing?
See the numbers, Siege?
Who's winning this thing? All right.
You know who that is.
You know, some of you guys look as old as I am. It can't be. That can't be right. So there's two groups. There's an intermediate group on that far side of the gate and a more expert group on this side of the gate. So they're supposed to run 8 minutes. So we'll see what happens. I expect one group to start before the other. The fast group, they do 2 groups. The fast group will start first. Near as I can figure out, of those 26 classes are broken down into CCs, and they have different classes of experience levels. So that's where you get so many. Now they all might be out there on a track at slightly different times. Race number 5, and Mr. Bill and Mr. Roy and Rapid Roy and Becky haven't got here yet.
These older guys.
So there's 4 plus 70-year-olds in this next race. How about that?
Your leader.
That's Ryan Filippello. He used to be a professional racer. Roy and Becky, and there's Mr. Bill. Wave, Mr. Bill.
Hey, how you doing today? The Kawasaki Robert.
Walking down through the pits here.
Joe, what happened? They said that your flag shows from Washington. Number 94, that's Wade Blanton from Salt Lake City. And look at this rocket ship through the infield. Number 1, Strider, who I forgot.
The little clock up there shows you,
And on the Kawasaki
in red numbers, shows you the group that's out there, race 9's out there. The black number shows you the next race, which is race 10.
He's got number 36.
So you can't hear a lot out here.
Visuals
Visuals are probably the best you can have.